Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com. I want to go over some stocks here from our momentum scans and various few other stocks. So in front of us, you can see here to the right, I mean, we finally pricked the balloon in some of these momentum stocks. I do think possibly we topped out in stocks, so some of these will continue lower. So we're anxious to see early in the week how much more continued sell-off we get in some of the momentum type names. But also I'm looking at some names that I like if they start turning higher. That's why I want to do this video. Rocket Labs, you can see here I got this one shown on the chart. The dashed lines are only alarms for me to let me know something's going through a level I might be interested in. So you can see here this one did have a jump and possibly a backup. I'd like to see it a little bit lower there, 62 or so. If that'll pop off Monday, I'll be looking at it possibly. The purple arrows are momentum scan buys. The gold arrows are momentum scan sells. And then we pick and choose the ones that we're more interested in. Here's MDGL, Madrigal Pharmaceuticals, at a quick reversal down to the bottom of the recent trading range. Technometer down there near oversold. Again, something I'm going to be watching. Trade Desk is trying to dig out of the hole down here at the bottom. Had a bunch of selling down there into that low at 43. And had a nice little consistent pullback, or a nice consistent rally after the recent major declines. But this is something I'm going to be watching as well. URBN is one that could get interesting. Looks like some sideways accumulation. We'll watch that. DUOL, also one that had gotten hit from 540, clear down to 260 or so. And trying to rally out of here. Nice little pullback last 2 days. So that's one that I think I'll be interested in. ASTS is one that already took off from the backup. That one might have higher to go, but won't be really doing anything with that one. Marvel is one that I mentioned on my lives. I'd like to see something down around 82. We did close at 85.61. That's one that I think looks interesting. And you can see here volume was definitely trending lower into this low here. And then the sell volume let up. You had a nice rally from 62 clear up to 94, and the technometer is at neutral. But again, a couple more days down, Marvel would be one that I think I'd be interested in. NNE is one that I told you I was long, looking for a little bit higher. That one didn't get hurt too bad on Friday, but I'm looking for that one to hold in here and continue higher. Coors is one that I mentioned Friday was acting very well. You can see a new high for the recent rally and then pulled back some with a major sell-off in crypto. Again, let's look for a little bit lower in crypto and stocks and see how this one holds up. This one might be one that can go to new highs above Friday's high quickly. And that's probably all that I really wanted to go over. Tesla is one that I mentioned when I sold it at 418. I wanted to see a little deeper pullback. This jump here, that might be filled and have that gap filled down below 400. But again, I think Tesla could be one that could do well in the future here still, even with U.S. stocks coming under some pressure or downtrending. So Tesla is one I'm going to look at as well on any type of buyback. AXON is another one that got hit hard there the last couple of months. And I think possibly could making a low back down here at support. You can see volume continuing to hit new lows here, while price has been moving sideways. So that doesn't look too bad. That's another one that could turn around and get momentum back going and could work higher. That's all for now. Let's see how Monday morning starts.